body of you.
Yeah, right.
See, whenever I record, I have my program to record, and then I have shadow play in the background just in case.
What's that?
Shadow play like records your desktop, like you know how Xbox does where you can cap a screenshot of like time passed. Well, shadow play lets you do that for like hours and hours.
And it like doesn't fuck up, you know, what you got going on, right?
Doesn't for me. There we go.
Alright, we're gonna get Luke that Slavic squat.
That's all I need in life is to put you to ground.
Which is good for me because it means I get it for this character too, unless it carries over between all three.
I'd assume it's,
Sorry?
It's just an emoji.
Oh, everything we do in the demo will carry over.
Well, no, what I mean is
like something between characters. Oh wait, disconnected, lost connection to host. Wow, really? Well,
I'll join in.
I actually think
I'm in. I am in. I am.
I wouldn't be surprised
am
if it's a hard time connecting to you, Luke. I'm not gonna lie there. Here we go, join again. Oh, here we go, join again.
Wait.
I had a problem connecting to Michael like once or twice, but then just brute force. It was like, oh, fine, fuck.
Your
Fine, I'll
mother.
Just because you asked. I say please next time. Jeez.
No.
We need tattoos. I'm gonna put that in my feedback report. Tattoos, please.
Oh, but you know what needs to be above that in the list? 4 fucking players.
I've been putting together a little draft while I've been playing of like things that I need fixing and things that I'd love to see.
And the thing at the top of that fucking list better be 4-player co-op, because who the hell gives 4 classes but only 3-player co-op? What? That is the dumbest shit ever.
Vigor.
Yeah, Vigor.
What?
Vigor should be 4-player.
I think it has to do with
At
how
least
many
Destiny
players
has the
they
common
have.
courtesy to let you have 3 classes for 3 people.
I think Vigor is the way it is because they set it up to the point where if they had 4-player teams, they would have to change how many players overall would be in a session.
I think I've got 3.5 paragraphs of things I want to put in my feedback.
Wait, you're sending them 3.5 paragraphs?
Yep. I always do when I play demos or betas. I always put a huge list of things that I've seen.
Yeah, and like you feel it should be in the game.
Yeah, just like bugs that I've had or things
Yeah,
that, you know,
that's-
might need adjusting.
Dude, I got back in the day, I got a crazy reward for, I got a crazy reward from Red Dead because I pointed out.
I want to hear the moment our search parties turn up anything about McCain.
Right. So is it which emote are we doing?
High five.
High five.
High five was my high five. I think this is my high five.
2.
I want to hear the moment our search parties turn up anything about McCain.
No, it didn't work.
Alright, try again. 1, 2, 3. Alright,
There we go.
I want to hear the moment our search parties turn up anything about McCain.
Now then, brother. Get your shit set up and join me. Oh, блядь.
I claim reward. Then I go over here.
I want to hear the moment our search parties turn up anything about McCain.
Go to your accolades, friend, and it will be there in, I think it's progression or group activities.
Okay, we have to go celebrate.
In sync. Okay.
I want to hear the moment our search parties turn up
No.
anything about McCain.
We're gonna celebrate this out here, away from that fucker talking, because that damn.
Guys, do the
fucking
slow
NPC
walk in the game. Look how much of a fucking chat our characters walk.
Yeah, dude, I actually did the Chad walk.
Too sexy for my shirt. Too
He's
sexy
got a
I want
little
to hear the
strut.
moment our
so
search parties
sexy.
turn up anything about McCain.
Yeah.
Oh, bah, oh.
Do you guys have any sandwichki?
Join us, brother. Vertuka, do the squat.
Oh, I see.
Bleed.
All we need is one of us to have a beer and the other to have a cigarette.
I have a cigarette
Somebody
in my
drop
hand right now.
some
You
flower
just can't see
seeds
it.
in a bag, but like between our legs out of the ground.
Yeah.
I have a cigarette right here.
Ja, bratuka.
This is Stuggaloo.
I just looked at my character. Look how rich I am.
Luke, you know what's weird? Out of all the characters you could
But
choose,
look.
you also chose the Asian.
No, this is this is the default white guy.
Whoa, but look at the attention to detail.
Michael's the,
He's down.
Michael's the Asian.
Oh.
I'm not Asian.
Michael, why are
fuck
you the Asian? You have a dude who looks dead ass like you. Like
I'm
just
not
like
Asian.
No, there's a character preset that I swear on my fucking life looks dead ass just like you.
If you give him a goatee, it's scary.
Yeah,
it looks
dude,
exactly
it looks
like
dead
you.
ass just like you. It's freaky.
But look at the attention to detail. Heels down.
Yes, because we do not squat like Western fucking spy. So you detect the spy between slaves. You make them squat. Yours up, you go. Play it.
Everyone is requested to escort to cock AK-47 if they look for a charging handle of AR-15. Immediately gulag. No hesitation.
Yes. Yes.
If you hesitate, that will give them chance. I swear. Last time we gave them chance, right away killed Vasily, killed Sergei out of his fucking mind. Then he made his way all the way through fucking Indochina. Can you believe that shit? Motherfucker hidden around
Yeah.
for like 4 days.
Guys, you see this black lady to my left? She has blonde hair. Confused.
Make sure you have your wallet. I hear they're very sneaky about this stuff.
Oh, cheeky bleaky donka.
We just look behind us and the world's falling apart. So slaps me down.
This is the new zone, I tell you.
Yes, agreed.
Until Stalker 2 comes out. Then we are going to be there doing the same goddamn.
But this
The
time,
last fucker
with
came
what?
out. Oh God, Rogers, I don't mean to alarm you, but I just noticed that while I'm squatting, my revolver on my right hip barrel is pointed like straight at your head.
Yeah, mine's looking at you, Michael. Look at it. He's gonna get you. This is the Russian standoff, not like Mexican. We just have it on leg. Who knows what happens?
What we do
It's like
is
that stalker
if we
meme
feel
with
like,
a pistol holding it like a rifle.
we feel like they are going to pull a quick little slide move. You just move ass cheek real quick. You know what I mean?
Luke's set to shoot me, I'm set to shoot you, and you're dual wielding, so you're set to shoot both of us.
Well, guys, this is Russian way of saying, well, guys, I think we should relax.
This is just what they call in America, Second Amendment? Yes, that's what I think it is.
I flex my second movement everywhere I go.
Whoop-ah.
Driving.
So look. You got
Yeah, I've got a couple.
Let's go do something. I need the level.
You gotta see the Chad walk, be all fucking.
I want to hear the moment our search parties turn up anything about McCain.
I don't feel safe now. Require assistance.
Arthur.
I love it.
I'm pretty busy right now.
Oh, I'm gonna sell a bunch of shit before we head out.
Your lieutenant's dead.
I'm almost at
Tell
7,000
me he
scrap.
died like a hero.
Sure, if that's what you want to hear. He was a real fucking
He's
hero.
requiring better.
Whatever he did, know that this is war.
Meet him
All must be
halfway.
forgiven. Until we win.
Look at this. Look at this.
Are you so sure it's even worth winning anymore?
Look at this.
Look at this.
What?
Is Roger strutting all the way down?
No, I'm teabagging backwards.
What are you
If you
standing there
spam the
for? Keep
Slavic
moving.
squat,
Only
you
the dead get the
teabag.
day off.
Huh. Pretty dope.
Are you letting have to teabag so you're saying, oh, that is pretty dope. I didn't know you could
No,
God
no,
help me
no,
ball
like
when I'm
the
gone.
armor she gives you.
Who the
I have
fuck
a
is
choice
gonna
of
hold this
knuckle
place
dusters,
together?
some Taliban garb, or a hood. I'm tempted to go with the hood. But I got a pretty baller helmet, so I don't know.
What are you standing there for? Keep moving. Only the dead get the day off.
Oh my guts.
God help you all when I'm gone.
Hey, man, why can't we just get the altar?
Alright, you guys ready?
One moment.
Gotta get McCain.
Except working in the AK factory or when commissar says
Shit.
Spanish and
Well, shoot,
English
they-
works because you get butt fucking.
What you see is what you get.
What if
Feel like
I
you have
get,
experience.
Warzone?
You'll be pleased to know the Hound is scared.
I don't want to download COD again.
It's all original
Anything against
memorabilia and
that
memorandums.
is like 100
You won't find
gigabytes.
replicas in here.
I have 100 gigabytes. Well, I'm gonna download Apex.
See, I'll download Apex for something new. I never played Apex.
Other vendors are complaining I'm on.
Neither have I. So that's why I was kind
Ain't
of
nobody
hesitant on it.
stupid enough to come around here.
Hesitant.
Oublié.
If there isn't a tracksuit when this game releases, I'm gonna be furious.
Or just like a Spetsnaz ass looking outfit.
What if I get the first Resident Evil?
If I don't have free stripe on anything, I'll be pissed.
I know there's a free
Yeah.
Resident Evil if you haven't tried Resident Evil before, right, honey?
So
Oh
there's
god, if you're
it's
talking
free
about
for gold. So
if you're talking about Revelation, that one is ass. Because it's Revelations 2.
no,
Revelations 1
it
was
says it says Resident Evil. Like that's
It's
all.
a remake.
Oh,
There-
yeah,
right
it's
now,
the
if you have
remake.
gold-
It's the remake.
Yeah, it's the
Is the remake
Resident
good?
Evil 1
Is it
remake.
just like better graphics?
Yeah, it's legit just a facelift.
The first one was, pixels, so
Well, polygon stretched beyond belief. It's scary.
Same walking around like you have a stick up your ass animation, same fucking ungodly, unforgiving camera angles and aiming system.
it's a good introduction to horror. If you don't,
It's a good
really-
introduction. No,
If you're not comfortable.
it's a
with
good
horror,
introduction to torture.
I'm not comfortable with horror, but I'll
Right.
get it and I'll
You
stream
should play
myself
Dead
doing
Space
it.
with me. You'd really enjoy Dead Space.
What's
Oh yeah,
Dead
that's what I
Space?
said.
You'd really enjoy Dead
Never
Space.
heard of this.
She would love Dead Space.
No,
Don't tell
honey,
him,
I
just
live
let him
under
play
a
it.
fucking rock.
Oh my god, Dead Space would just like just.
Roger, you should let her play it. Like all three of them are on Game Pass.
I'm pretty sure I have Dead
are.
Space 2, and I actually have Dead Space
Yeah,
1
but
on
guess who didn't put their account on?
Well, all of them are on Game Pass.
Oh my god, I just lagged like a motherfucker. Dude, I just got put back like the fucking
Go, go, go.
See, this I can tell that he's the one that's made this game because I've just got this addiction rolling
This is where the
everywhere.
collapse started. I doubt McCain survived this.
I don't need your doubts. I need him alive.
PvP in this game would be absolutely fucked.
Yeah, I don't think PvP
Only hate keeping me alive now.
Hey, side mission, guys.
It
Let's go.
That's all I got.
I've already done it.
Pew, pew, pew.
Oh, Dead Space.
Yep,
What is it
Dead
called?
Space.
Honey, are you
Play the
actually-
first one.
Actually going
And there's
to-
3 of them.
Yeah, Dead
Right,
Space
just don't
1
spoil it.
is- okay, fine, fuck
Number 1 and number 2 are the best.
I
Number 1 and number 2 are
think
the
it's
best.
up. on-
Rogers, if she gets 3, you can play that co-op with her.
Wait, Dead Space 2, right? I know Dead Space 2
No.
you do. Oh, 3.
Dead Space
Yeah,
3 was
though, is
co-op.
like the
2 had
god
PvP.
of Fucking Dead Space.
Yeah, 3 is just don't play it.
Yeah, it's
Just play 1 and 2 and then leave it there.
Yeah, because Dead Space 2 had PvP. Dead Space 3 had co-op.
The PvP was so good, it was like Left 4 Dead on crack.
The necromorph babies.
Yeah, dude.
I spawn trap people with those babies. They couldn't leave. I get them.
See, I always liked just spawning as a basic necromorph and hanging from the ceiling like a really bad dingleberry.
Puka was my favourite. Like, hands down my favourite.
Yeah, dude, I feel like the basic necromorph fucking beat ass because he had long arms.
Oh, he did, because you were so much stronger and you didn't get as dismembered as quickly.
The regenerators. Oh.
Oh god. I made a crucial error in judgment.
You did the math.
yeah,
Oh my god, you're really bad at math. Holy shit, you are really bad at math. You are really fucking bad at math.
Yeah, I legit just went in and fucking put the ability down.
Great. Great. Daddy needs.
Shiny box, a weird really.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that one.
Dopest shit. Guys, I'm about to spread the word.
Word of Christ.
Every time I cock this shotgun, it puts an extra inch on my cock. We definitely did good on the sound of that.
Oh jeez, launch your sails. Oh god.
If you can bribe yourselves, you might need to do it.
Get behind cover, guys.
Hold your ground. shit, there you go. Kill to survive. Push forward.
Damn, dude, that was actually tough. Hey, box over here.
I'm getting shot in the back, you agree?
We both know. Got a little glowy rock over here, yes sir.
I'm hoping they release transmogging when the game's released.
Yeah, no, I definitely wouldn't. I will say they definitely did a really good job on just basic design, and it's fucked up. I can tell you this right now, wholeheartedly. This is not the baseline graphics. They are going to up the graphics.
It's like if you took Gears of War setting. Oh yeah, because Gears of War. In the first game, everything is grey. Everything. Second game, everything is brown. A dark shade of brown. Third game, blue.
About other darker shades of brown.
Blue.
Except for one part. That's kind of grey.
And Judgment, we don't talk about Judgment. Judgment was bad.
What was it? What was the one where Dom died?
3.
3? I don't know. I feel like the game wasn't that good all until that part. And not because Dom died, but because how badass he was actually about it.
3 for gameplay is the best form of Gears. That's why number 4 and 5 are so fucking good.
Yeah, true.
Judgment was trash just because they were like, let's just fuck it. Let's just take this.
Let's do Call of Duty, but Gears
it.
of War. We're gonna add like a completely different system to throw hand grenades that no other Gears player.
I will say 5. I will say it was not that good, in my opinion.
I loved 5. 5 made my semi-pro career. I loved it.
Really? I don't know. It felt like they reverted back to Gears of War 2 combat, where it's just us jumping around with fucking shotguns.
It's
all it's ever
3.
been.
3 is like what 5? Like 3 is just 5's baby. The 5 is just 3's baby. Like it is everything 3 does well and just does it better. Wall bouncing was revamped to the perfect like pinpoint. Just Nashers were just god tier. They had like they should be. It's a fucking shotgun.
I'm the only one left.
Brought back all the guns we cared about. Oh.
You're too late.
What happened here?
What does it fucking look like? We got mutilated. We had the bastards cornered, but
Who's learning how to make bubble tea?
Nothing. I'm just watching a story of
Where is he?
inside the bunker up the hill. I wish I could look.
Is it the you're a strange man, Mr. Warren?
No, it's the Red Dead Redemption 2 Super Bowl.
Yeah.
One of the coolest things for Gears was Horde mode with friends.
Gears was, yes, I loved the Horde mode most. Gears 5 Horde mode was a little whack.
Yeah, because they really focused on the PvP with 5.
Yeah.
That's a grenade. That's another grenade. I'm getting my shit pushed in by like a handful of breaches.
I just saw something from the PvP that says not outcast the more. Oh, scandalous! Honestly, I don't care about Google. SNL.
Ow, 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 son of a...
This is definitely like a gear. How you guys just love stuff? Definitely have an SMG now. Wow, I'm lagging to fucking death.
Holy fuck, Michael, we might want to run.
Just... Wow.
Hold up. Oh god. Oh god. Running. Running. Oh, that's a cat. Oh, that's a cat.
This is the boss fight. What are we doing this for?
Falling back. Luke, run! Down to Resing. Oh, this is bad. I'm falling way the fuck back. Luke, fall back. You are surrounded. They're pushing us back.
Cowards.
They're pushing us to shotguns. He's trying to go with it.
Hey, Luke, did you turn up the difficulty?
What is this? A death concert? God damn it.
I got one.
Yo, why does this look
Healing? You just healed up? Guys, I got the captain on me.
There now is. Right now, right. Doesn't have.
Ooh, shit, that got close.
Oh, that was close. That was fucking sweaty. Okay.
Why did it just get so quiet?
Skips it anyways.
Good time to cut, alright guys?
Yeah, drill that shit.
See, the fact that we get 86 to like 70 pieces of iron makes me believe that the upgrading is going to be crazy high. You're going to get like 200 per piece of gear.
Well, this game probably damn well intends to compete with like Destiny and Anthem, you know.
Well, Anthem is dead in the water. That's like poking a body at Omaha Beach.
You guys don't do that?
All the time.
So say, dude,
But I don't do it to the American bodies. I find myself a Frenchman, and then drown him in the sea as a sacrifice, and then I poke the body at Omaha Beach.
well, I thought you were gonna like, you know, do things.
I was about to say,
He's
we
a Frenchman. He
don't
doesn't
know
deserve
French
this
in here.
British meat. All right.
No French.
That's like sticking your dick in a muffler. You don't do it.
After a long road trip.
After a
I
long
was waiting-
road
I was-
trip, my
I was-
F-150 looking kind of
I was
nice.
expecting to hear Rod just be like, wait, no?
No, I'm not that barbaric. Slap my meat on the
I just
grill.
noticed the Abrams stuck in that wall. It's been there for so long, it's been rusted. Which I don't know if it is an Abrams.
Well, it's like some of these are
talking about-
definitely modeled after the
Like this
tank up
tank
here ahead of us. This is an Abrams.
kind of looks
or-
like an Abrams, but it's not.
Either an Abrams or a Lefty.
Abrams going for it. Especially with like the front chains, the hoods. What the fuck is the storage unit in the back? It's a little bigger than it should be.
Look at this fucking muzzle brake. Look at the tank. Look at it.
Right, and can we talk about the
Yeah, we
Drake
would be
over the
tank
barrel?
miss standing this close to the fucking thing.
Oh,
Oh
we
yeah,
can
with
just
that.
completely gas.
Blind.
Deaf, blind, like we fucking shit our pants.
Get up there, don't stop moving. Stay wide, stay scattered.
Can't let you go.
Eating the pie.
I really hope they play up on those because they definitely got that feeling going for it. So far, it would be awesome if like there's some full blown like 100-man fucking side type of shit going on, just on side.
The thing is, there's not so many people left. Most of the people are already dead. There's like 80,000 people left out of like the couple million that came.
And most of those are in the pods.
No, they woke most of the people up because there was two groups when we first went into sleep. They were like, keep them there so we can, you know, manage what we can ration between each other. And then there was some that were like, just pull the plug and kill them. die in their sleep, you know? Like, we've got resources for this group.
That's kind of fucked up.
Oh, you big fucky.
I mean, it's an interesting situation, though.
Crazy, like, I couldn't imagine having to leave Earth just to go to another war zone. Like, probably even worse than the one that was on Earth.
Yeah, for real. Like, Warzone was Earth was fucked, but we just made this one kind of worse because now we're all starving while we're on it.
It's like, yeah, Earth was, you know, weather storms were getting bad, the ice caps were all melted, most of the world was flooded, people were starving, but we didn't have to deal with fungus that would liquefy our organs if we breathed it in.
Like, we genuinely knew what we were getting on Earth, you know? We weren't getting space tigers. Space tigers weren't much of a problem on Earth, I don't know.
There aren't spiders the size of mountaintops.
You know, cosmic horror just wasn't oftenly appearing on Earth, you know? Something about the conflict on Earth.
We did have aliens, but not the kind you're thinking of.
Wait, what?
We did have aliens on Earth, but not the kind you're thinking of.
Listen.
Ain't nothing free.
Remember, you're doing good if they look back and say, deport me, Daddy.
Thanks again for getting the guy who killed poor Mr. Chen.
Why I never.
It's cold. My toes are like burning, it's that cold.
I'm just selling some stuff real quick.
Yeah, I'm selling some
Also,
shit, I'm gonna hop on.
I got a... Alright, homie. Got a question, Luke.
So,
Can we redo the Mr. Chang mission so I can unlock the gun market for this character?
yeah.
I just need to finish selling this shit, and I got all the code.
Good to see you again. You'll be pleased.